Here is how to add bullet points in Discord. So to use bullet points in Discord, you need to follow the steps. First of all, open a chat with someone or go to the text channel in the server. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Click on the chat box to open it and type in asterisk by holding the shift key and pressing 8 on your keyboard. This will create a star symbol. Now press the space bar, and this is important, the bullet point won't work without a space, and type the text for your first bullet point. And to add another bullet point on a new line, hold shift and press enter, and type another asterisk on your keyboard, followed by a space, and type the text for your next bullet point. Repeat steps 6 to 8 for each additional bullet point, and when you're finished adding bullet points, press enter to send the message. Your message will now display with the bullet points. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.